Okay. Comfortable. This is when in 1 hour. I have 1 hour before the starts. And yeah. Oh, here it's what 45K are watching here when the teacher is still not here. What on earth? Hmm. Now I have to do. Let's do some fun stuff. Okay, this will do. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We have a lot of work to do. To do. To do. Science. Takitata. Tachamta. Takitata. Tachamta. I have to do. Um, Better I check that other one. No. Hmm. No, I have to put that. नहीं चाहिए यार. Okay. Hmm. Let's check diagrams. My God, that's getting scary. Oh, I have to check definitions. I have to check activities. Diagrams. note. Sticky note. Where's sticky note? Mm, mm, Definitions and activities. I'm doing those two first. What is this? I need that. Mm, Why can't there be a PDF online of all the definitions of class 10 science. I think I'll have to go to chat GPT. Okay. I think I'll download the PDF for now. This will do. Find me all the definitions from this textbook and create textbook to learn tomorrow's exam. Let's read my documents. I hope it works. This will take some time. By the time I will just go to that file. This is which activity? This is magnesium ribbon. That is Mg plus O2 gives you MgO. Balancing it, we get 2 Mg plus O2 gives us 2 MgO. Oh, thank God, ChatGPT. Please let it work, please let it work. Okay, this is cool, bro. Okay, let that go there and I will read the textbook in that time. So magnesium ribbon, we did change in state, change in state, change in state, change in color, evolution of gas, change in temperature, formation of precipitate. Precipitate is somewhere here, it's written, but we'll write it here. Precipitate, formation of precipitate. This is lead nitrate is PbNO3 twice. PbNO3 PbNO3 twice. Potassium iodide is Ki. Katrina ne car मांगी. This K will lead nitrate. Potassium iodide. Then we'll get potassium nitrate and lead iodide. Lead iodide is the precipitate. Lead iodide precipitate, and potassium nitrate is another one. Zinc plus HCl. This will come in metals and non-metals chapter where you get a salt resident Cl2 plus H2. Yes, chemical equations, word equation is this way, skeletal equation is another way. This is a skeletal equation, unbalanced. Skeletal equations are unbalanced, and then we have other ones. Balanced chemical equations. Physical state we have to write. Gaseous, liquid, aqueous, solid. Okay. CO is what? Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide plus 2H2 in the presence of 340 atmosphere. Carbon monoxide plus 2H2 in the presence of 340 atmosphere gives us methanol CH3OH. 6CO2 plus 6H2O. Presence of sunlight chlorophyll. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Then magnesium ribbon cleaned before burning, that's fine. Balance equation H2 plus H2 plus Cl gives us H2 plus Cl2 gives us 2HCl. BaCl plus Al2SO4 thrice. BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice gives us barium chloride, aluminium sulfate, SO4 thrice, right? BaCl. BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 the whole thrice. BaSO4. Ba and SO4 is 2, 2. But here it comes 3 times. So here by balancing you get 3 BaSO4. 3 BaSO4 plus 2AlCl3. 2AlCl3. Sodium plus water, Na plus H2O gives us NaOH plus H2. H2O, NaOH, H2, NaOH. Sodium plus water, Na plus H2O gives us NaOH. OH2O, 3O we need. 2 H2 plus 2 becomes what? Hmm. 2 Na plus 2 H2O gives us 2 NaOH plus H2. So this is fine. Balanced chemical equation symbols: barium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid. It's fine. Chemical reaction, combination reaction. Oh, we got our till chapter 10. Don't we have in other chapters? It's alright, it's fine. A chemical reaction, a process in which one or more substances are converted into new substances with different properties. Chemical reaction, two or more substances converted into new substances with different properties. Different properties is important in this. And then balanced chemical reaction, equation in which number of atoms each element is same on both sides. Number of atoms same on both sides. Oxidation, addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, reduction, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, corrosion, gradual destruction of metals by chemical reactions with the environment. Like corrosion is what, like when the metal reacts with the atmosphere and other elements around it, like moisture and chemicals, lead into its destruction is known as corrosion. Corrosion of iron, rancidity, the oxidation of fats and oils, unpleasant smell and taste. Acid, H plus ions, aqueous solution. Acids are bitter to taste. No, acids are sour to taste and turn blue litmus paper red. Bases release OH negative in aqueous solutions and are bitter to taste and turn red litmus blue. Neutralization is between acid and base, forms salt and water. pH scale. pH is potence hydrogen, I think. A scale that measures acidity or alkalinity, 4 to 14. Indicator substances that change color in the presence of an acid or base. Metals and non-metals. Metals, elements that are good conductors of heat and electricity. Malleable, ductile. Malleable, ductile, sonorous, good conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Generally brittle. Brittle. Okay, brittle. Alloy, homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or a metal and a non-metal. Two metals or a metal non-metal. Electrolysis, decomposition of compound by passing electricity. Okay. Covalent bond, shattering of electrons. Hydrocarbons, organic compounds only with hydrogen and carbon in them. Isomers, compounds, same molecular formula, same. Okay, isomers, same formula, different structure. Same formula, different structure. Saponification, solved by the reaction of fat or oil with a base. Fat or oil, nahi. What was your name? It's not fat or oil. Saponification is this one, right? Is it ester or is it? I think it's ester with sodium hydroxide or sodium metal. I'm not sure. Also making so fat or oil with a base. Base means sodium hydroxide. Reaction fat or oil. Fat or oil. That will mostly be ester, I believe. Or fat or oil is what? Fat. Vanaspati ghee is from saturated. Not saturated, right? Vanaspati ghee. Biochemical process, respiration, Glucose का breakdown to get energy, photosynthesis within plants together of food, removal of metabolic waste from an organism, neuron, structural and functional unit. Nice. The reflex action, automatic and rapid response, automatic rapid response, hormones, chemical messengers, endocrine glands, body functions, parent, gametes, with the fusion of male and female gametes, zygote, zygote embryo, and then we have fetus, genetic study of heredity variation, Mendel's law of inheritance proposed by Gregor Mendel, that is dominance, then acquired, no, law of dominance, law of independent assortment. Oh, I have to learn that laws. I always forget it. Let me write down somewhere. Mm, what do you call it? Mendel's laws. Okay. Evolution, change in living organisms over generations, diversity, reflection, bouncing back, smooth surface, refraction, bending of light, one medium to another, mirrors with inward curve, outward curve, reflecting surface, accommodation, ability of eye to focus. Oh, here also I had one more. Um, Silly muscles, dispersion, splitting of white light and its constituent colors. Okay. I need to thank ChatGPT for this. Okay. That's done. So now let's go back to the NCERT textbook. I will check in. Types of sodium, that's fine. Chemical reactions. CaO plus H2O gives the CaOH twice plus a hell lot of heat. This is a combination and it is exothermic. Slake lime, CaO is slake lime. Calcium oxide, slake lime. Solution of slake lime produced is used for whitewashing. Calcium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide with CO2, thin layer of calcium carbonate, shiny finish. Marble का chemical formula is also CaCO3. Marble का chemical formula CaCO3. Marble is CaCO3. And then we have burning of coal. Burning of coal is combination, combination, combination. Water H2 plus O2. C plus O2 gives us CO2. Burning of coal, you get CO2, but when you burn methane, ethane, propane, butane, and all, you get H2O plus heat plus light also. Okay, so that's fine. Natural gases, see, I told you, right, about methane right now. See, O2 plus CO2 plus H2O, light plus energy, no, light plus heat is given in the carbon compound chapter. Natural gas. Natural gas is methane, can methane plus natural gas. Respiration is an endothermic process. Respiration's formula is given in this chapter, but it's not given in life process. In life process, only photosynthesis formula is there. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives us 6CO2 plus CO2 is a product, and then you get H2O again, and then you get energy also. Decomposition of vegetable matter is also an exothermic reaction into compost. Decomposition reactions are endothermic. Why are they endothermic? Because when you have to break down something, you have to break down them with the help of some external factor influencing it, right? Endothermic. So now this is which one? Is it FeSO4? FeSO4. Ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate. Okay, this is a good equation. F no, where's highlighter? FeSO4 presence of heat gives you Fe2O3. I always get confused with ferric oxide, ferrous sulfate, ferric, and there's one more, right? Ferric, ferrous, and one more thing. Green color of ferrous sulfate crystals has changed. So ferrous sulfate plus green color crystals, it becomes white on heating, and then it becomes reddish brown. Reddish brown. Which one? When it's Fe2O3. Fe2O3. In this reaction, single random breakdown can be bonded decomposition reaction ferrous sulfate crystal Fe. It is dot H7H2. Why have they given comma? Then decomposes to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide. Calcium carbonate, presence of heat. This is a very good one. I like it. I don't know why. Limestone. Calcium carbonate is limestone. It's the same formula for marble. Limestone. Marble. Okay. Calcium oxide, lime or quicklime. Calcium oxide, lime or quicklime. Many uses. Manufacture of cement is calcium oxide. Okay, I didn't know that. Manufacture of cement is calcium oxide. Thermal decomposition is when we use heat and um, thermal, electrolytic, photolytic. And then this is PbNO3 twice decomposition. Nitrogen dioxide, it is known for its brown fumes. See, brown fumes. That is the key thing to identify PbNO3 twice. That is the NO2. So PbNO2. Oh, one more thing that I remembered. Now this is electrolysis. Cathode. Where is anode? Cathode. Anode. And here it is hydrogen. Here it is oxygen. But they've given the wrong in the image. They've given more hydrogen, like more bubbles here. It's actually supposed to be here where there is more. Okay, questions. Sunlight and this silver chloride. This is silver chloride breakdown is photolytic decomposition. Okay, sunlight is a catalyst. I have to write it in the top of the arrow. Okay, silver bromide also same way. This is there in black and white photography. Okay, energy, heat, energy in the form of heat, light, or electricity. Breaking down the reactants, it is known as an endothermic reaction. X, that is calcium oxide. X, and water is I know this. It's fine. This is also fine. Displacement reaction. Displacement reaction in this chapter is fine, but when it comes to thermite reaction, it's bad. But it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Fe plus USO4. FeSO4 plus Cu. That's fine. I think that's fine. Plumbum is fine. Copper sulfate, copper chloride, okay, fine. Pb, okay. Double displacement Na2SO4 BaCl plus BaSO4 NaCl. Okay. BaSO4 is a white precipitate. Oh, wait, did they mention about potassium iodide being a yellow precipitate? Potassium iodide is a yellow precipitate. And then there's one more thing. Okay, wait, what did Prashant Bhaiya tell us? Um, lazy, lazy Munna by Instagram शानदार बॉडी बनाया और कार भी लिया. So lazy L is what? L is think of words, not the formula. L is lead. Huh. Lead. I think it's lead. Potassium iodide, lead. Lead iodide is yellow. Lead iodide is yellow. Then magnesium. Here, magnesium. What is that? Magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide is white. I is iron. Iron is FeSO4 in this chapter. FeSO4 7H2O. FeSO4, that is green color. S is what? S is sodium. Is it sodium? Sulfur, I think. Hey, sulfur. Lazy Munawai. Instagram push. S. Brown, blue, black. S. See, this is copper. Copper is blue in its copper sulfate solution and black in its copper oxide plus copper oxide. This Shandar, this one I didn't get. SB, blue color, any other blue colors. S, sulfur, sodium, sodium, but what will it get? With what is it reacting here? Sodium, there's S. Wait, periodic elements with S. Sulfur, sulfur, silicon, sodium. I don't think that's sodium. No. Sodium, this should not hit there. Control plus plus plus. Palladium. We don't have all the silicon. Silver. Is it silver? I think it's silver. Yes. This is silver. Silver. Yes, I remember this. It's silver and it's not black. It's blackish grayish. It's we don't have a word with G, so we are going to write it as black, but actually consider it to be gray. Okay, nice. Okay, this is colors of the reactions. Okay, redox reaction we reached. Copper plus oxygen, presence of heat gives us copper oxide. If hydrogen gases pass, we get copper and H2O back. This is a redox reaction. Okay, here MnO becomes MnCl2 loses oxygen. That is why it is redox. HCl loses hydrogen. That is why it is oxidization. Okay. Corrosion ka definition. Let me check once again. Corrosion. Metal is attacked by substances. Metal is attacked by substances around it, moisture, acids, etc. Corrode. This process is corrosion. In silver, it's black coal tin, and in this one, what is the other one? Copper, it's green coated, and iron, it is that flaky brown color rust. Rancidity, huh? Got that. Copper sulfate, white changes color, yes. Double displacement, yes, it's fine. Identify the substance that are oxidized substance reduced. Na is oxidized, oxygen is reduced. Because oxygen does not exist anymore here this side. Copper, this was the same thing given above. This is fine. Okay, which of the following is incorrect? See, this is very important. Check whether it's incorrect or correct. PbO becomes Pb. It's losing oxygen, so it is being reduced. Losing oxygen, so it's being reduced. And the other one is gaining oxygen. It is being oxidized. So reduce is the oxidizing agent, and oxidize is the reducing agent. And then so PbO is red oxide is being reduced incorrect, right? So we have to find incorrect. So this is correct. Carbon is getting oxidized. Carbon is getting oxidized. That is also correct. Carbon dioxide is getting oxidized, is getting reduced. No. A and B is false. So A and B is false. Above reaction is this one. Oh, this reaction. This reaction is displacement. Displacement reaction, dilute HCl, iron fillings, and HCl. Then we get FeCl2 plus H2, hydrogen gas iron chloride. Balance chemical equation. Okay, why should balance law of conservation of mass? Following statements into chemical equations, then balance them. Hydrogen combines with nitrogen form ammonia. H2 plus N2 gives us this one NH3, and then how do we write it? 3H2 plus 3H2 plus N2 gives us 2NH3. Yeah, that's how. Sulfide, hydrogen sulfide, H2S, burns in air, H2S plus O2 gives us H2O, sulfur dioxide. Hydrogen, what sort of thing is this? Hydrogen sulfide, H2S, right? Huh. Okay, this you have to balance in. Sulfur dioxide balancing is needed, that's fine. Um, barium chloride, this is okay. Huh? एक second दे दो. Potassium metal. Why are all these of the third chapter? हाँ. Now it's balanced. I think balancing will be fine. Copper chloride, aluminium chloride, copper, copper chloride, CuCl2. Hmm. 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 Hi. Acid bases aren't hydrangea, petunia, geranium. This much is of the family lichens, Thallophyta. Have been provided with 3 test tubes. Contains distilled water. Only red litmus. Oh, okay, it's fine. Olfactory. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Acid plus metal salt and H2. Okay. Carbon dioxide test. H2 test. Curd and sour substances. Got that. Which gas liberated when acid reacts with metal? That's fine. A reacts with dilute HCl, produce effervescence. So A is a metal carbonate or hydrogen carbonate. Effervescence means because of CO2. CO2 will come only if there is what? Metal or metal bicarbonate. The gas, CO2. Hmm. 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 Okay. CaCO3. CaCO3 plus HCl is the formula. Yeah. Glucose here, glucose, alcohol, hydrochloric or sulfuric. Here, hydrochloric and sulfuric will work if it has to turn on. Glucose and alcohol won't work because they don't, ionize, dissociate. Okay, hydrogen ions. Oh, this is a good question. If climate, what does calcium chloride do in this test? Let me show this test and show a guard tube containing calcium chloride and why we have chosen that. Calcium chloride, we use it here because um, uh, if it's very humid climate, and calcium chloride helps to dry the gas. That means it. What it does is that I think it absorbs the humidity. Nitrogen ions, hydronium ions it forms. Okay, here H2O is a catalyst and not a product, reactant. Okay, alkalis. Bases do not this alkali base that is also in water. Okay, process of dissolving an acid or base, exothermic. Okay, acid should be added slowly. Acid to water. Acid to water. How do we by heart this? A comes first in the letters, alphabets. So you're going to put A into H2O and you're going to stir like a lot. If it's done opposite, what happens? Heat is generated, causing the mixture to splash out and cause burns. Okay. Glass may also break. Okay. 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 HCl. Okay. This is fine. Aqua solution, conduct electricity, fine. Try HCl, fine. And dilute acid, recommended acid should be added to water, that is also fine. Content of hydronium ions affect the solution of an acid is diluted. Concentration, that's fine. pH gets increased or reduced. Concentration of hydroxide ions affect when a base, that's also fine. Strong pH potence hydrogen, right? Come on, show me where it was potence in German. pH potence. I think potence means power. Huh, power. Okay, this is fine. pH is fine. Okay, gastric juice is 1.2, lemon juice is 2.2, pure blood water 7.4. Pure blood and water. No, pure water and blood. Oh my god, what am I reading? Pure water and blood. Oh my god. Um, Pure water and blood is neutral. Milk of magnesia stands sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, 14. That is extremely basic. Plants and animals 7.0 to 7.8. 7.0 7.8 plants and animals body, and then plants require for their atmosphere of Venus. Venus atmosphere has a lot of clouds of made out of sulfur, white and yellowish clouds made out of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, Venus per a lot of white and yellowish clouds. Hmm. To find out pH. Okay, okay. Digestive system is very less because this one is there, right? HCl, but it should be in a balance. Tooth decay is less than 5.5. Yes. Acid rain is with the body. They've given it with the body. Acid rain is less than 5.6. Acid rain is when sulfur dioxide and all are in the rain water. That's when it becomes acid rain. Toothpaste, self-defense is methanoic acid, formic acid, methyl, uh, vinegar, acetic acid, orange citric, tamarind is tartaric, oxalic is with tomato, lactic is milk, sour milk, and lemon is citric, ansting methanoic, nettlesting methanoic. Okay, fine, got it. Okay, this is a little of an issue. Okay, got that. Salt has arrived into the family. Common salt, NaCl, rock salt is like impurities, salt with lot of impurities. That's why they come like brown in color. Hmm. Common salt. This is electrolysis of brine, chloralkali process, electrolysis of brine, chloralkali process. Brine is NaCl solution. This is not the thing given in our textbook. This is an old textbook. How nice. Okay, at cathode we get H2 gas, at anode we get Cl, and near the cathode we get NaOH, H2O fuels, margarine, ammonia, CO2, Cl gives us for water treatment, swimming pools, PVC, CFC. Okay. NaOH, soaps, detergents, paper, artificial fibers. Okay. This we don't have actually. Bleach and all we don't have. But do we have bleach? CaOCl2, right? Bleaching powder, yes. That is calcium hydroxide plus Cl2. Gives us CaOCl2 plus H2. Dry slaked lime. Dry slaked lime. Dry slaked lime. Bleaching powder is for bleaching textile. Bleaching textile, wood, pulp in paper factories, washed clothes, oxidizing agent. It's a very good oxidizing agent. Okay. Disinfectant water. But it does not. Why does it disinfect? Because it has Cl2. That's a trick. It disinfects because Cl2, where Cl2 is there, disinfectant is there. Okay, don't do that with NaCl, but do that with bleaching powder. Baking soda. So it's bleaching powder, but baking soda and washing soda. Okay, baking powder is with this one, tartaric acid ka something. NaCl. That NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus ammonia gives us ammonium chloride, and we get NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. So when we heat this, sodium hydrogen carbonate is a non-corrosive base. When we heat it, we get sodium carbonate, and when we waters of crystallization, we get washing soda. That is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium baking powder. You have to mix edible acid with an edible acid. Sodium salt of acid. Okay, from edible acid. Okay, edible acid. Ingredient in antacids and soda acid fire extinguishers. What are we talking about? Baking soda. Washing soda, NaCO3, Na2CO3 decahydrate. Hmm, okay. Glass, soap, paper industry. Sodium compounds such as borax. Cleaning agent for domestic purpose and permanent hardness of water. This is a characteristic of washing soda. So that is like characteristic. This is what copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is 5H2O. Copper sulfate is 5H2O, and then we have FeSO4. FeSO4 is 7H2O. Na2CO3 is 10H2O. Gypsum is 2H2O, and there was one more, right? Hemihydrate is this one, POP. Then we have XH2O is ferrous, that one, rust. I want to know the definition of crystallization. Water of crystallization. Fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Water of crystallization. Fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of salt. Fixed number of water molecules, one formula unit of salt. Okay. POP 373 Kelvin. Molecules becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemihydrate POP substance POP. POP is fine. CaOCl2 is baking, no, bleaching powder. Treatment with chlorine, bleaching powder. Yes, that's fine. Sodium compound soften in hard water. Washing soda. Oral absent solution. Hydrogen carbonate heated. We got it. Equation show reaction POP and water. Got that. After this, I'm stopping it because Prashant Bhaiya's class will start. Okay. So only these many questions, right? Yeah, then I'm fine. Mm. Where is Prashant Bhaiya? Hey, 32 minutes. 22 minutes. From where? When is it? 13, 14, 15. 5:30. I thought it was at 5 o'clock. I think they changed the time. Oh, technical. No, 5:30. Oh, wait. Oh, VK cuts. When did you come in the chat, bro? Participants. I will timestamps. 4:27. Oh, yeah, I was not in the chat. I couldn't see it. VK. Bias video. Or that hit and trial method, sir. How do I now go let him know that I replied? Hmm. I'll leave. We still have time till 5:30. I'll study till then. Hmm. Okay. Metals. Shiny surface, lustrous, malleable, ductile, sonorous, hard, thin sheets. Gold and silver are the most malleable. Silver is the greatest conductor of electricity, and gold is the most ductile, up to 2 kilometer length. Um, Metals also conduct electricity. Let's find out. Non-metals. Previous chapter. Oh wait, polyvinyl chloride full form might come. Polyvinyl chloride, non-metals, sulfur, iodine, oxygen, hydrogen. Mercury exists as liquid. Iodine is a lustrous non-metal. Carbon has many forms, allotrophic forms, uh, and then alkalis can be cut easily. Acidic oxides, metals, non-metals are acidic oxides, metals are basic oxides. This is a really interesting thing. Give an example: metal liquid at room temperature, Hg, mercury, easily cut with a knife, sodium. Best conductor of electricity, silver, Ag. Poor conductor of heat, metal. Poor conductor of heat, I think it's lead, Pb. Lead and one more person was there, a company in lead. Who it was, I forgot. Bottom of a page is given. Lead and mercury, huh? Mercury is also bad, okay. Conductor of heat, electricity, whatever. Metals are burnt in the air. It gives us oxide. Then we get amphoteric oxides of aluminium and zinc. Sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate. NaAlO2. Sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate. Aluminate. Potassium, sodium vigorously with H2O, no, with O2, catch fire in the open. So they are kept in kerosene. Aluminium, zinc, lead, and all create aluminium, zinc, lead, thin layer of oxide. Then we have iron fillings burn, but iron does not burn. Copper does not burn at all, but the hot metal is gets like black coating. We learned in first chapter. Silver and gold do not even react. Such, pros. Anodizing thick oxide layer of aluminium. It develops a thin oxide layer when exposed to air, and anodizing makes it thicker, my resistance for the corrosion, making it. Where should the aluminium anodizing, right? So aluminium neat metal should be at the anode. With water. This is what steam on a metal. Glass wool. What does glass wool do in here? Glass wool soaked in water. Oh, when you heat the glass wool, the water comes out as steam. So you don't have to like boil water in a vessel and all those complicated stuffs. Okay, this is nice. Heat energy with sodium and potassium. Calcium does not give heat energy. Magnesium does not react with cold water. Means these two are with cold water. Calcium also with cold water. No fire is there, and calcium starts to float. Magnesium is with hot water and it starts to float. And then magnesium के बाद Katrina ने car, monkey, Altos and Ferrari. Um, Aluminium, zinc, ferrous, Altos and Ferrari, Firby. Huh. Aluminum, zinc, ferrous, they are all right this way. Aluminium, zinc, ferrous is with steam, right? Steam, yeah. Ferrous, you remember steam. So then rust so will also be steam. And then we have Ferbi Q, Milli, silver, Audi, Ferbi, lead, Q, copper, silver, Audi, gold is Audi. These now don't even react with water. How nice. How nice. Metal, dilute acid, salt, hydrogen. This is first chapters. HNO3, come on, Mahan person, show your face. Oxidizing agent, strong oxidizing agent. Oxidizes, then H2 produce magnesium, manganese. In dilute HNO3 evolves H2O gas. And then we have aqua regia. Oh, copper does not react. Okay, this is there. Copper does not react with HCl. Aqua regia, royal water. Okay, royal water. Royal water. concentrated HCl, concentrated nitric acid, H2 1, dissolved gold, aqua regia, royal water. Platinum also. I like displacement reaction the most. Not of thermate reaction. This chapter is only Katrina ने कार मांगी ऑल्टो जेन फरारी फिर भी है क्यों मिली सिल्वर ऑडी. Sodium in kerosene fine, iron with steam fine, calcium and potassium with water fine. Okay, which is most reactive? Katrina ने कार मांगी ऑल्टो Zen. This is the one. Zinc is the highest one. So who displaces zinc will be biggest. And then if it doesn't zinc, auto Zen, Ferrari, then you should displace iron. B I think is the biggest one because it displaces iron. And wait, yeah. The metal displaces or iron displaces? Okay, wait, this is actually wrong what I was saying. You should see the one that is not displaced by zinc. Here it is not displaced by zinc, so I believe these are displaced. If copper displaces, it is definitely bigger than copper, but lesser than iron. Will be high Q. Okay, displacement by iron. So that is someone smaller than iron. No reaction with iron, but this copper displaces it. So it's copper, no reaction with iron. So iron is smaller than it, but copper is larger than it. Wait. Okay, this is a little confusion. Who displaces zinc is the most reactive? Nobody displaces zinc here. Okay, fine, leave it. Silver nitrate, no reaction. Displaces copper. I don't care about copper. Everyone displaces copper. Iron, who displaces? Katrina Renkar, Mangi, Aldo Sen, Ferrari. No reaction with zinc. That is, it is smaller than zinc but bigger than iron. So I think that is the no reaction means displaces silver nitrate. That means it's bigger than silver but less than copper. And then no reaction, no reaction, no reaction with anyone. That means this is the least. I think B is the first one. B, copper sulfate. I think it will display decrease in reactivity. That means big to small, right? B. D is the last one. Copper, silver, copper is two. Dilute HCl is added to reactive metal. Okay. H2SO4. Okay. Zinc is iron sulfate. Okay. How do metals, non-metals react? Is this the metallurgy part? I am not interested for that. Please God, don't give me metallurgy tomorrow. Please, I don't want metallurgy. No metallurgy. If metallurgy is an extremely small question. Please, I don't want metallurgy. Electrostatic forces. Electrostatic forces, electrovalent compounds, ionic compounds का properties. um, solids, brittle, strong attraction, intermolecular attraction, melting and boiling points, high solubility in polar solvents like water, and conductor electricity in molten and aqueous. Okay, that's fine. Okay, okay, fine. Occurrence of metals. Oof. Okay, heart is not happy. Some place minerals contain very high percentage. Where minerals, what are minerals? Minerals are places where metals are found. Really, is that it? Elements or compounds that occur naturally in the Earth's crust are known as minerals. Those areas, minerals, whatever. Minerals are elements or compounds which occur naturally on Earth's crust, and then they are called ores. Ores are regions where they can be economically, feasibly extracted, right? Geography is coming here. Contain very high percentage, and can be profitably extracted. Yeah, that's what ore. Extraction of metal. Easily understand, it seems. This is the hardest part of chemistry. Some metals are found in Earth's crust in free state. Free state. Some are found in free state. Some in compounds. Some in the bottom series, least reactive. They are found in free state. Like a least reactive is found in free state. Like who? Like who? That lazy silver and gold. See, gold, silver, platinum, copper. Copper can be in copper and silver in combined state as well. Copper and silver combined state, and sulfide or oxide ores. Copper oxide will come. Copper sulfide will come. Copper sulfide will come. Top of the activity series. Top is this people. Different color will give them top, right? Little difficult for me to study. No, middle is the difficult part. Everyone is difficult. K, N, A, C, A, M, G, A, L, C, L. MG के बाद कौन था? AL. CL is not there. CL is not here. They are never found in as free elements. Never. Okay. Then we have metal in the middle of the activity series. Zinc, ferrous, plumbum, moderately reactive. They are found as oxides mainly. Oxides, sulfides, or carbonates. Oxides, sulfides, or carbonates. Or many are oxides because oxygen reactive metal and very abundant on Earth. Metals of low reactivity, medium reactivity, high reactivity. Different techniques can be used for obtaining. Okay. Several steps involving the extraction of pure metal. So summary of these steps. Okay. Enrichment. What do you mean by enrichment? What is enrichment? Oh, is this that gang? Yeah, it's gang. Ores mined from the earth contaminated with large amounts of impurities. Impurities, like ores that are mined have a lot of impurities, soil, sand, etc., and they are called gang. Nice name. Enrichment, enrichment, and then we have which is a second level. Enrichment, hmm. Enrichment, extraction, and refining. Contaminated with large amounts of impurities, soil, sand, etc. Gang. They must be removed prior to extraction. So this process for removing are different based on physical chemical properties of gang. Okay, separation techniques accordingly employed. Okay, low reactivity. Now first is enrichment of ore because we have to remove the gang from it, and then we have low reactivity reduced by heating alone. So low reactivity is this one, roasting or calcination. Roasting is for sulfides, calcination is for ये वाला carbonates. Roasting is in the excess of oxygen, no, excess of air. Calcination is in the kami, CC, less of air. Mm. Cinnabar is ore of mercury. Bauxite is aluminium ore. Zinc, uh, zinc, zinc something. I saw in sir's class yesterday. Zinc something. Okay, HGS. I have to learn this. Highlighter pi ajana. 2HGS plus 3O2 means HGS when you burn you get HGO plus SO2. Okay, 2HGS plus 3O2 in the presence of heat gives you 2HGO plus 2SO2. HGO and SO2 you get. So what do? Then you take that mercury oxide and then again heat that. Just alone heat that. Mercury oxide, heat it alone. So then you'll get what? Hg and O2. Okay, 2HGS plus 3O2. Okay. Copper is with copper sulfide and hydrogen, what do you call this then? Mercury is also with mercury sulfide. Copper with copper sulfide. Copper sulfide is this one. Copper sulfide plus oxygen in the presence of heat will give you copper oxide. No, copper 2 oxide and sulfur dioxide. So then what do? There is a trick in this, tricky twist. The copper 2 oxide you take and heat with copper sulfide, copper 2 sulfide, not with oxygen, no, not blunt simply. You have to heat with copper 2 sulfide and then you get copper plus SO2 again. So here 2 Cu2S, no, Cu2S, copper 2 sulfide, O2, heat, copper 2 oxide, SO2, then you get copper 2 oxide plus copper 2 sulfide gives you Cu plus SO2. Okay. Fraction of metals in the middle reactivity series. We have reached middle. मिडिल में कौन कौन है? मिडिल में जिंक सल्फर सब कुछ है. Zinc carbonate. Oh, just zinc. Okay, roasting, calcination. Okay. Zinc plus O2 heat, zinc oxide plus SO2. SO2 calcinate. Ooh, something fell down. What fell down? Charger. Okay. Calcination is what? Zinc carbonate plus heat. Only heat. That means calcination is less of oxygen, right? So you don't need oxygen there. Don't put oxygen in the product side. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Then what do you do with the zinc oxide that you get here? You reduce it with carbon, coke. Carbon ka pure form is known as coke. Here, let's give one here. Carbon, coke to reduce. Highly reactive metals reducing do not happen like that simply. This reaction, this displacement reaction is one that I don't like. So, but I have to learn it because I am in 10th standard. So, for manganese and aluminium, manganese or iron, you have to do Thermite reaction. So manganese and aluminium, you reduce manganese or ferrous, you reduce them with aluminium. Why? Because aluminium is more reactive. Manganese oxide MnO2 plus aluminium gives us Mn plus aluminium Al2O3 like aluminium oxide and a lot of heat. Okay. Highly exothermic, heat evolves so large metal is in molten state. Iron 3 oxide with aluminium is joint railway tracks, cracked machine parts. What all are there? Joint railway tracks, cracked machine parts, thermite reaction. Thermite reaction. What's your name? Thermite reaction. Where are you found? You're found in our NCERT textbook. High up the reactivity series is very high. Oh, we have not reached high yet. This is still low. Okay. We have to go more high. Now we are going to sodium ka high level. Katrina ne that level. Metals high up the reactive series, very reactive. So what do we do? Why can't we reduce with carbon? Because they have high affinity towards oxygen and not carbon. So electrolytic reduction is done. Sodium, magnesium, and calcium. Sodium, magnesium, and calcium electrolysis. Electrolytic reduction. Molten chlorides. Okay, chlorides. Chlorides. Okay. Deposited at the cathode. Okay. Chlorine is liberated at anode. Okay. So how do you do this? Anode mud comes, right? Okay, okay, got it. Okay. Oh wait, ये इसके लिए नहीं है. This picture is not for this one. Okay. This, let me read this then properly. Reactive shear is very high, cannot obtain from the compound helium with carbon. Carbon cannot reduce oxide, sodium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium. Aluminium also okay. Because metals have more affinity to oxygen than carbon. Metals are obtained by electrolytic reduction. Sodium, manganese, calcium obtained by electrolysis and molten chlorides. Molten chlorides deposited at the cathode. Metals at cathode, chloride liberated on anode. Anode, high code, correct. Anode, aluminium is obtained by, okay, aluminium is obtained by electrolytic reduction of aluminium oxide. Aluminium is with aluminium oxide. Sodium, magnesium, calcium is with, who do you call that? They are chlorides. Refining of metals. Last topic of metallurgy. Last topic of metallurgy is refining of metals. Metals ka refining. Metals, not very pure. Refining. Electrolytic refining. Electrolytic refining. Metals, copper, zinc. Okay, this is tin. This is actually a good question. Copper, zinc, tin. Tin is what? Sn? Nickel, I don't know, but tin is Sn. Nickel is Ni. Silver is Ag. Gold is Au. So copper, zinc, tin, nickel, silver, gold. Refined electrolytic refining. Solution of metal salt. Metal salt. Metal salt. Impure is made the anode. Pure is made the cathode. Metal salt. Passing current through electrolyte. Pure metal from anode. Equivalent amount of pure metal. Or this, I leave it. Anode mud is there. Anode mud is for electrolytic refining, not for that sodium wala. Gang, okay. Two metals, nature and free state. Free state are our precious jewels. Obtaining metal from its oxide. Oxide is this one, reducing with carbon or with aluminium. Thermit reaction is what for this one? Manganese and ferrous. Corrosion. Here again we have corrosion. Copper reacts with carbon dioxide. Copper is with carbon dioxide and becomes green coat. Copper carbonate. Copper reacts with carbon dioxide, green coat. Sulfur is with silver and cause to make silver sulfide to give black coat. Iron is with moisture and makes brown flaky substance called rust. Madi, I'm tired. Prashant Bhaiya is supposed to come by now. Prashant Bhaiya, aa jao na. So many people are waiting and Prashant Bhaiya still not come. Oh wait, Modi ji, who is this? Mukesh Ambani is in the chat, guys. In Prashant Bhaiya's chat. False accounts. We'll do this until Shiva comes. I can finish this chapter. Rusting and prevention. Rusting of iron. paint and oiling, greasing, carbonization, chrome plating, and making nano alloys, zinc. Okay. Oh, even if zinc coating is broken. Okay. Alloy. Pure iron is very soft, but if we add carbon to it, it becomes hard and strong. Iron plus carbon plus nickel plus chromium, we get stainless steel. Hard and does not rust. Stainless steel does not rust. Nickel, chromium, iron, and carbon. And the thing is that this is one of the alloys that has a non-metal in it because carbon is a non-metal. One of the MCQs I saw had us to choose which one of them is an alloy with a non-metal in it. Homogeneous mixture two homometals, metal and non-metal. First melt in the primary metal, dissolve in the other metal. Pure gold, 24 karat gold is very soft, so not suitable for making jewelry. Either silver or copper is mixed with it. 24 karat gold mixed silver or copper is mixed to make it hard. In India, 22 karat gold is used for making ornaments. 22 karat gold and 22 parts of pure gold is with 2 parts of copper or silver. Okay. Mercury's alloy is known as amalgam. So brass के लिए it's copper and my leg. Brass के लिए it's copper and zinc. Brass. Okay, for brass, this SS in the end, right? You flip it and it becomes Z. Brass. So copper and zinc, and bronze is for copper and tin. Bronze is copper and tin. Not good conductors. Wait. Brass and bronze are not good conductors. Okay, solder is this one. PB and tin. Plumbum and tin. Okay, that's solder. Welded. Qutub Minar in Delhi, 400 BC, developed a process prevented from rusting. Magnetic oxide. Film of magnetic oxide. Which metals do not corrode easily? Who do not corrode easily? Your stainless steel does not. That's fine. What is the silicon? Oxygen give a carbon compound with high melting point. Soluble in water. Mixed with oxygen. High melting point. Iron. Fe. No, that is carbon with oxygen. No, that is all low melting points. Calcium. I think, is it silicon? Let me Google search. Prashant Bhaiya, Ajana. Hi, very nice. This is what I get for Google searching. Food cans, tin, knotted zinc. Okay. What is this? Spatula, sulfur burner. Do you get sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide? Which question is this? Very nice. Pratyush. Try litmus paper. Okay, I'm stopping. I'm tired. I'm done. Here is my live thingy. How do you stop the live? Okay, bye bye.